How to get oxygen naturally? All of us know that we have a shortfall of oxygen in India, and we know government is taking several measures to balance the oxygen need. But here is a natural way of getting oxygen. Yes, it is from plants. I'm going to tell about highest oxygen producing indoor plants that cleans the air and removes toxins. All plants produce oxygen, but in different quantities. Some of them produce it all day and night, and some of them can produce only for a few hours. Oxygen is produced by the absorption of carbon dioxide and in the presence of sunlight. But some plants absorb other harmful gases too and produce oxygen for us for many hours. Let's have a look at them. First one is snake plant. Nowadays, most of the cities are struggling with the strong issue of oxygen shortfall. The snake plant is an indoor plant that is very helpful in purifying the air and produce oxygen. NASA uses this plant for its astronauts to provide them fresh air. It is found to be one of the most oxygen producing plants even in the night. Therefore, it is an ideal air purifying plant. It should be placed in rooms, public spots, and workplaces. Second one is Areca palm. Areca palm is very well known for its air purifying properties. Apart from this, it is also famous for a beautiful appearance. They work as a natural air purifier when placed in rooms because they can easily absorb the bad air within your room. Nowadays, due to air conditioners, people keep their rooms closed most of the time, and this deprives the natural air of the room. In such a scenario, it is very good to have an Areca palm in your home. It purifies the air and brings fresh air for you. The lifespan of Areca palm is of 10 years. It is helpful in removing toxins from the air. So, it is recommended to have Areca palm in your home and enjoy the fresh air. Third one is Syngonium. They are marked as very tough plants that hardly die. They are very good air purifiers, and apart from this, it is a belief that these plants also carry good luck with them. They attract positive energy and keep your stress and worries away. They remove all types of indoor air impurities and works as a natural air purifier. They grow easily and should not be kept in direct sunlight. Fourth one is croton. It is a decorative plant that also carries air purifying qualities. They are available in vibrant colors like yellow, red, orange, etc. They are eye-catching and adds good vibes to your drawing room. The only care should be taken is to not to move them because this can harm them and they can start losing their leaves. They are good air purifiers and absorb all kinds of irregularities from the air and gives you fresh air. So, if you are planning to have some indoor plants, then croton is a good option and you should go for it. Fifth one is money plant. Money plants are evergreen plants with heart-shaped leaves. They are helpful in removing various types of impurities from the air and gives oxygen. As per Feng Shui, it also brings good luck to you. It removes stress and is also helpful in dealing with any kind of sleep disorder. Sixth one is spider plant. Spider plant is one of those indoor plants which remove the carbon impurities from the air and works as a natural air purifier for your home. NASA also proved the air purifying qualities of spider plants in the late 80s itself. As we know, indoor air becomes more polluted than outdoor, so it becomes necessary for us to have some purifying tool, and nature has the best solution for all. They won't need electricity to purify the air and are very easy to handle and can be grown very easily. Seventh one is aloe vera plant. It is a single plant with multiple benefits. One can use the plant in multiple ways, like the gel within can be used in all kinds of burn or to cure any kind of skin issues, whereas the aloe vera plants can be used for treating asthma. Apart from all these known benefits, the plant is also helpful in purifying the air. As per a report by NASA, aloe vera has been proved as one of the best plants in purifying the air. Aloe vera absorbs carbon dioxide and releases an abundant amount of oxygen. Hence, plants are the best air purifiers. All they need is a mug of water and some care. They are much cheaper than electric air purifiers. Green color automatically changes our mood and makes us happy. Try these air purifying plants and lead a healthy life. Stay tuned for more interesting articles. Thank you.